Welcome students. In this lecture we are talking about progress bar. We will write progress in a search field, progress bar, general purpose progress bar. We can create it, put it somewhere here. As you see, this is a progress bar. You can create it as you like by the size. For this percent visible, you can use in inspector window this checkbox visible or not. For value, we use this property here. Value can be 90, for example. As you see, color are changed here. If we want, for example, to allow greater or lesser values, we will check these fields. Okay, let me do some about custom style. Custom style are foreground and background color. We can change it. For example, you can use a colored style with a new style box flat, but we will use style box line for foreground, and for background also style box line. This means you will see visible only one line here for your progress bar. And now let me set this. Foreground color can be some kind of green, but to see this we will increase our thickness to 3 or maybe more. For background color can be some kind of something like this. Thickness of a line can be also 3. Maybe something more visible. Okay, this is our progress bar line, and we can put it somewhere. Oh, no. We are working with the progress line. Oh, good. Let's move it without the problems. Okay, we can put it here. Maybe some change. Maybe something like this. Okay. So now we have this will be for energy. We will use this for energy. So we will add another property to our game, and this property will be energy. So now we have energy bar. Also, it will be good to show somewhere energy. We know how to do this. You only need to create some label. Label can be energy label. Did I write right? Energy label. Energy label can be somewhere here. I think this can be good. I think. Okay, energy. 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 Okay, energy, percents of energy initial will be 90%. Okay, alignment, vertical alignment. What kind of font can we use? We will set theme, as you know, and then in a new team, default font, we will load some of our font. I think we use this one, energy. This looks better. So we have data about energy, but we need to code get it, because with this we will only get text data, but we need exact data from a progress bar, which means we need some coding. First, we need some variable energy with some initial value of 90, for example, and when code is started in a function ready, we will get this value of energy. Energy will be what? Energy will be from a progress bar value. We need value. I think property is get value. But I'm not sure. What he say? Get what? Get value? No value. No value. Great. Progress bar get value. We can use get value. Float, get value, set value, range, current value. Good. Range, current value. It's okay. So energy progress bar get value. Okay. Now this data need to go where? To label called energy label. Set text, you know the drill. Set text, we need to use str because this is float value of energy. But with this we will have only data about energy. But we need some text here. Energy. So energy will be this plus this. We need to test this work to see what are we get. Okay, what we get. We have good progress bar here with some kind of action points, energy, everything looks fine. This energy can be moved a little bit to right, but initially everything is cool. Initially everything is okay. Thank you for watching. I think this become very interesting now, but not so complex. We will continue in next lecture. Have a good day, enjoy your life, see you.